Hi, and welcome to this quick video on an extremely creative way individuals are making money online. When we came across this actual website and this idea, we said we just had to do a video about it to make sure that other individuals are aware of it. At the end of the day, we want to make sure that you know everything and anything there is when it comes to creative ways in which individuals are making money online. Now, if you have the opportunity, by all means, feel free to visit this URL at the top, but we want to say this with a humongous exclamation point that we are not necessarily promoting this site or any other site that you're going to see in this video, but merely presenting creative ways in which you can actually make side hustle money. So believe it or not, we found that individuals are making money simply by sharing their honest opinion. And by honest opinion, it really goes without saying that companies are going to pay you simply by taking a survey. Option number two that we found throughout this process of researching this, we actually, believe it or not, found that companies are going to even pay you for trying out their apps. Now, their apps could mean playing their apps on the phone, could mean video games. At the end of the day, you can make up to $500 in passive income simply by trying out video games. So let's go ahead and see what are the actual companies out there that are paying people to do just that. Okay, so site number one is Branded Surveys. And by all means, it goes without saying with a humongous exclamation point, do your research when coming across companies who say they're going to pay you. Check out sites like Trustpilot that'll give you the opportunity to really research the reviews that others are leaving on these sites. And it goes without saying, make sure they're legit. Do not hand over your banking information to just anyone. Do your homework and make sure that you feel absolutely comfortable before proceeding with any company. Now, with that being said, Brand Surveys actually you will find is in fact a legit company out there. And it really just comes down to understanding how much are they going to pay you and is it worth your time? So they are actually site number one. Site number two over here, again, not necessarily promoting this site, but they are an option for you, which is Cash Kick. As you see here, Cash Kick is one of those companies that not only pay you for surveys, but they're actually going to even pay you if you play their actual mobile games. Pretty creative way to make money. Site number three is freecash.com. Again, getting paid for testing out apps, games, and surveys. As we've said often, do your research, make sure they're legit. Just because the site is being presented in this video does not necessarily mean intended that it's legit. You have to make your own personal decision and do your research. Okay, so site number four. Site number four is Inbox Dollars. Again, another site that's going to pay you for surveys, going to pay you for shopping, and even pay you if you're interested in playing games. Site number five is Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is going to, again, take surveys, get paid. Research how it works and their earn money. Make sure it's worth your time and investment. And so site number six is called Swagbucks. Swagbucks, again, is another site in which you can provide your honest opinion and actually get paid for it. So you may be asking, okay, that's great, but do you have a sense as far as how much money you can actually make? Now, you can visit sites out there like this URL at the top. Again, not necessarily promoting this URL, but it'll give you a sense as how much money you can make per survey. And if you notice here, you can get up to as much as $5 per survey, and it's even going to list some of the sites that we just showed you right now. Again, just make sure that it's worth your time and money if in fact you are considering passive income online. And again, here is the URL in which you can find creative ways to make money online. Even this URL here at the top says 50 ways to boost your bank account. Again, research the companies through Trustpilot and research other sites that provide reviews from real customers out there using these sites. Make sure they're legit before you hand over your banking information. But most of all, have fun and continue to find creative ways to make passive income. We hope that this tutorial gave you everything you need, at least on a high level, when it comes to making passive income taking surveys online. We look forward to seeing you into the next video.